grab the top blade from the back, the dull side here, gently pull forward, and this blade will just slide right on out. And the same with the bottom blade. You're going to grab it from the back with your safety gloves, pull forward, and the blade, like the top, will just slide right on out. Just put these in a safe place. And from there, you're going to reach around to the rosette blade. It's easy to use your right hand. Use your fingers to grab it from the bottom there. There's a pin that you can pull out, and then that rosette blade will just lift on out. And again, put that in a safe place. Grab the safety pin, and this presser, you want to keep your hand underneath this presser when you pull this pin out, because it will drop out. That safety pin keeps it in place, so that'll just fall right on out. And again, I recommend putting the pen back into the presser so you don't lose it or misplace it. And from that point, the pineapple cup, it's got lift up on it and slide out.